What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 8 of 15 days of Brinkley RV tours, and I'm really excited about this one because we are finally into the Brinkley fifth wheels. And this one is the smallest Brinkley fifth wheel. It's about 29 feet 11 inches, and I gotta say, this one has quite a bit to offer. This is a great couples camper. This is the Brinkley Model Z 2680. Let's check it out. All right, so starting on the outside of this Brinkley Model Z 2680, there's quite a bit to talk about. First up, you're gonna have the Kurt Helix pin box. You're gonna have the automotive front cap with the LED lights up front. And once we're into the fifth wheels, we have full, true pass-through underbelly storage. And so that's what I'm really excited to check out. So check all this out. You're gonna have your inverter, your solar batteries. So right there is a great feature, especially if you love boondocking. Coming around to the side of this RV, you're going to have your propane tanks here on the side. You're going to have one on this side, and then one on the opposing campsite, or on the campsite, right there. And then next to the propane is going to be your pass-through storage. And basically, it's a big space. You do have your Liquified electronic leveling system over there, so you can just auto level all of your jacks. This is where all of your water connections are, your satellite, your cable connections, the gray and black tank dumps. And then you do have the retractable hose, so you don't need an extra water hose. Brinkley already gives you one, and you can just run it out through the hole, so all of your stuff is protected from the elements. Slam latches. Over here is going to be your hot water system, your power, and then a little underbelly storage area. So that's pretty nice. Over here is going to be your holder for the sewer hose. So basically you can just put your sewer hose in here and keep it out of your underbelly storage bay. Now this is either the gray dump or the black dump, because you are going to have two separate ones on this unit. You have really nice tires and an excellent suspension system, which is a part of the Kurt Helix pin box up on the front. Now this RV is going to have the rack and pinion slide system. So you've got the frameless windows on this slide, and you even have frameless windows on the interior side, or on the sidewall of the slide out. You do have the cover where you can't see in, but you can see out, so it really just blends the design. It doesn't look tacky since there's a window there. On the back of this RV, you're going to have your Freon backup camera. You're also going to have two frameless windows, and then these really sleek tail lights. And this right here is a trailer hitch that can tow 3,000 pounds in the states where it's legal. So that's really nice, but you can also throw a bike rack on the back. You've got your Rhino lined ladder to get up on the roof. And then, check this out, you've got a large outdoor fridge. Frameless windows all down the side here. And you do have a Girard armless awning, so that's a really nice awning. You're gonna have a standard Solera awning here on the front. And then let's go ahead and check out the other side of the pass-through storage. So you've got these slam latches with the magnetic holders. Lots of space under here. And to access all of your plumbing, electrical, HVAC, all that, it's all back here, easy to access, but it's hidden away. So that's really nice. Another one of those storage bays under there. But let's go ahead and check out the inside of this unit. So you're gonna have the More Ride handle. So basically, this is what it looks like. You pull it out, and just like that, it pops down. And so you have a lot of gripping points all the way up into the RV. Now this right here is RV lock, which it comes standard on Brinkley Model Z Airs and up. And this is a great product. We have it on our camper, and it makes getting in and out of your RV super easy. You can enter in your passcode, you can use a wireless remote or just a standard key. But it's a really great product, and if you want to get 10% off of an RV lock if you don't already own one, head over to rvlock.com and use the discount code RVTalk10 to receive 10% off of your purchase. All right, now let's head inside. All right, so stepping inside of this fifth wheel, as you can see, it's a pretty nice layout. It's definitely set up for 2 people. You're gonna have this large TV, really large TV, a shelf up here, a window underneath, and then this little desk space where you do have little pull-out silverware drawers, as well as a pull-out table that slides side to side and stuff like that. Down here, tons more storage, pull-out trash bin, and then up here is going to be a storage area with the signature Brinkley paper towel holder. Over here, you're going to have lots of storage space, tons of space in that big oven, 3-burner cooktop. I love the wraparound windows. See, I could do this. Even though I like the tall windows, I could do all of these. Up here, you're going to have a residential size microwave, cabinet space up here, and they do give you access to the outlet for the microwave, which is a really nice feature in case you ever need to access it. Here in the corner, there is quite a bit of storage space. Same over here. And then down here, you're gonna have a large, really deep farmhouse sink, sprayer faucet, and then some storage space up under the sink. Now over here, you're going to have a large pull-out drawer, I guess maybe for, I don't know what. You do have a window up here, cabinet. But now this is the one thing that I do not like about this unit, is that the fireplace is down here. Because there is a desk here, it just doesn't make sense. Unless you want to sit at your desk and your feet be nice and warm by the fireplace. But I guess maybe that's what it's for. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Am I crazy? Is it weird? Or is it a good design? Let me know what you think. Over here is the refrigerator. You're gonna have your freezer on this side and your fridge over here on this side. Lots of storage, lots of shelves, and then the little shelf compartments in the doors of the fridge. Over here, lots of space. They do give you an outlet in case you want to put an appliance in there that you kind of just want tucked away. You've got these really nice pull-out drawers, all soft close. And then now it's time for the theater seating. So you do have 2 ottomans, which can be used as a stool over here at the table. And then you've got wireless charging, center console with USB type A ports, heat and massage, another USB port, and these are wall huggers, so when you recline in them, they literally hug the wall. Right here is going to be a bed, because it is a trifold, pull-out, hide-a-bed, whatever you want to call it. It's a sofa that turns into a really large bed. You do have a mirror, some sconces, and then all of this storage space. Check that out. You got some more over there. And then this is the Rockford Fosgate sound system, which, as you can see, there's speakers right there. If you want to have some of the best sounding music in an RV, that's the system to have. So it's really cool that Brinkley already incorporates it. Now let's head into the front bedroom. So you do have a door to close off the space, and it has a magnetic latch, so it locks in place. Stepping into the front bedroom, it's pretty nice up in here. You've got windows on each side of the bed. You do have a king-size bed. Storage up here, lots of storage space. Storage down below, and then across the way, you're going to have a cabinet right here. And this RV, for being under 30 feet, it has washer and dryer prep. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I mean, that's pretty amazing. I mean, yeah, it's uncommon in fifth wheels this small. So that's a really nice feature. Right here, you're gonna have these little pop down towel hooks, coat hooks, and then you do have a TV. All right, now behind the pocket door. It's the bathroom. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You've got your toilet paper holder, which has a magnet, so when you're going down the road, it stays in place. You've got a coat hook, a little shelf, and then time for the bathroom. The shower test. It's a small fifth wheel, and it's excellent. This is amazing. Shower head is above my head. Lots of space in here. No bench, but that's okay. And something that's really interesting is there's not much of a lip here to get in the shower. That's really nice. I think that's how they're able to give you so much space. Right here you have a cabinet which passes through to the bedroom. And then you've got this really nice mirror. A little ring towel holder. Farmhouse sink, miniature farmhouse sink. Storage space under there, pull-out drawers, and then Liquified, which is today's sponsor of the video. Liquified is the best RV toilet treatment that we have found in over 15 years of RVing. It's made with enzymes and bacteria which help break down your waste, prevent odors, and it even cleans your sensors. It's made in America and comes in this bottle that measures out 1 ounce, which is all you need to clean a 40-gallon tank. This is such a great product. If you want to get it, you can find it on liquifiedrv.com. If you use the discount code RVTalk15, you can receive 15% off of your order. So definitely go check them out, and thanks to Liquified for sponsoring today's video. All right, so that right there is going to do it for the tour of this Brinkley Model Z 2680. What do you guys think? This is a pretty nice couples coach. It's the first fifth wheel of this 15-day series, and there's nothing but fifth wheels to check out now, except we are checking out another Brinkley Model Z Air soon. So stay tuned. It's kind of in the middle of the whole series, but it'll be a fun little surprise because it's a really cool big one. But this is really cool. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe because there's a lot more to come from this series. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the road.